let's go ahead and do a final shaping on the first loaf. I'm going to sprinkle real lightly on the surface here. We've got our seam side up, and I'm going to roll the ends just a little bit. There, now we've got a nice oval type loaf. I'm going to put it in a couche. Here's the second loaf. I'll stagger it by coming back in another 30 minutes and shaping it. Okay, we've got our last loaf here. We'll put a little bit of flour on the surface. I very often will do the first shape and they'll elongate this way, and instead of shaping them this way again, which will make them even longer, I turn them the other way. That will give you a nice fat oval shaped petard. There's our nice fat oval shape. Now we'll put that in the couche next to the other one. I've already got the couche floured with some whole wheat flour. There we go. So we've got our two loaves ready, and I've got the oven preheating. I started preheating it after I shaped the first loaf, and I think that it will be ready to bake within the next half an hour to an hour.